Hey guys, so I'm back. I had conjunctivitis in my right eye. It was a mess, but I'm better, I'm back and I'm happy, thank God. You may feel like, oh, things look a little bit different, and you'd be right because I've got a brand new camera and a brand new ring light. My ring light hasn't got a diffuser, so it's so bright in my eyes right about now, but I'm just willing to work with it because I'm just so happy that I finally managed to get one, as I did promise. So now hopefully the quality of my videos are stepping up just a little bit. I haven't got the best camera and the best equipment still, but it's a step up from before. So I will leave the information for my camera down below. It's not the same one that all the other beauty gurus use on YouTube. I ain't got that kind of coin, but it was something that was within my price realm, so I'm happy with that. So the first video that I want to do now that I'm using my new camera equipment is the doing makeup in reverse challenge video. I don't know if it's a challenge, but I think it's going to be a challenge. Okay, I've seen a few YouTubers do this video on YouTube and I was like, I actually want to do this. I really do want to do this. Let's see what happens. So I have written it down on my phone, like what the steps are. I had to really think about it because I know that I'm not going to be able to think about it off the top of my head. Okay, so first is setting spray. I've finished using my setting spray and I haven't bought one to replace it, so I don't have a setting spray. So the next one is lips. So lips. Oh. Okay, and then it's highlighter, and I'm just using my little fan brush with my little Peach and Glow palette from iHeart Makeup. I don't really use this highlighter that much. I'm using this shade here. Then it says blush. This is like one of my favorite blushes. I just love this color by Clean Color. Oh god, it's a bit broken. Hopefully you can see it. I did a video on me repressing, was it this one? I can't remember. I think I've repressed a couple of things. Then it is mascara. So here is where the mess is gonna start, okay? Oh my gosh, my lashes, because I didn't wear no makeup at all for the past whole week, right? Because obviously I had the conjunctivitis infection in my eye, and that came from my son. He had conjunctivitis and it's very, very catchy, so I ended up getting it. But because of that, I didn't wear any contact lenses, I didn't wear any makeup, and I just feel like my lashes, like now I'm putting on my mascara, my lashes just look like they've grown. And I know it's only been a week, but you know. Okay, oh hold on, I've got to do the lower lashes as well, but this is going to become a mess because the next step is to do the makeup on the lower lash line, but I've just put mascara on my lower lash line, so I don't know how this is gonna look. Okay, this is the Sleek Oh So Special palette. I'm trying to pan this palette. I really just want to get rid of it at this point. These are the shades. Hopefully I'm not blinding you. I don't have a monitor, so I can't see what you see. Fingers crossed. Okay, so now we've got to do eyeliner. Oh god. And it's so hard because I've already done my mascara, so it's just kind of blocking my vision. And I can't get right to the lash line. Oh, and I absolutely hate this eyeliner. The formula just separates. You know, like oil to water. Oh my gosh. My eyeliner just does not want to work with me. Oh my god. And this is why I never do my mascara before I do my eyeliner, okay? This is just a mess. Oh my goodness. Okay, now it says contour. I can do that. I can do that, okay? Can you guys see like the indentations on the sides of my nose? Probably especially there. My glasses. That's how you know I don't wear my glasses often at all. Oh, Lord, Lord. Now, some concealer. I don't know who thought of this video or this concept, but a lot of the people that I saw doing it, theirs turned out half decent, but mine is like, nah son, no, you're gonna look crazy today. See, I would never do this. Like, I would never do like my lower lash line and then put concealer after. Like for some people it works, but there's some people who do like their eyes, but they'll do like their lower lash line as well. I can't do that. I've got to do my eyes minus the lower lash line, do the rest of my face, and then come back to do the lower lash line. I feel like I'm looking crazy, and I know when I watch this back I'm going to know that I look crazy. Okay, I think there's enough of that. Now for foundation, I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Fluid Foundation. This is not one of my favorites, but I'm willing to use it for this challenge. See, look, all over the work, I've just done the work. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. And this shade is definitely a little bit too brown for moi. It smells so good though. Ugh, this needs powder. Like, this needs some powder. Okay, I had to add some powder. Is that cheating? Okay, so now I've got to do my eyeshadow. Again, going in with the Sleek Oh So Special palette. And I'm only really using this palette because I'm trying to pan it. Oh my god. Oh, that's how you know I've given up, because I was just like, at this point, I don't even care. And look, already it's kind of like slipping off. I just do not like this palette at all. I like Sleek's highlighters, but this is crazy. I have so given up at this point. I don't even care what happens. Crazy. Then it says brows. I would never do my brows before I do my foundation. I feel that the way that it glides on is not the same. It doesn't feel the same. I have to do my brows before I do my foundation. I can do my brows before I do my eyeshadow, but my foundation, Well, this brow turned out good. And look, that shape is on point. Nice. And then the last thing is primer. Yeah, we gonna do it. We gonna do it. No. Oh. Oh, that just feels gross. Oh, that just feels horrible. That's nasty. That's nasty. That is nasty. It legit just wiped everything off my cheeks. Listen, I have to say that this was an ultimate fail. It was fun doing this video, but this was ridiculous. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and put me on notification. Tell me what you think of this video. Do you have one of these? If you have, please leave me the link down below so I can laugh at you too, the way you're laughing at me right about now. Anyway, so I'll see you in the next one.